Hi everyone, soak your dirty white laces in hot boiling water with washing up liquid. Put some washing up liquid on a nail brush and scrub away at those dirty white trainers to remove all the dirt. Honestly, this works a treat. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much. And as you can see, it takes a bit of time, but the dirt comes off and you'll be stunned to see how white I get these mucky puppy trainers. This works really well. Don't forget, in between scrubbing, wipe the trainers over with a wet cloth to remove any excess dirt. Now with the laces, as you can see, put them on the draining board or a hard surface, put on washing up liquid and keep wiping over with a wet nail brush. This will remove the dirt from your white laces, which will save you having to go out and buy any new ones. So I really hope you like this video and this top tip and give it a go. Let me know if you do. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your support.